Back in this bitch, this is round 2.
Alright, we go back to this. I just weird beat right quick. I never heard it, but it just sound crazy. First time listening. Yeah, you got the crazy shit, man. Hitting you with this rock shit, boy. And we don't mess around when it comes to the toys. We're talking about guns, and we always on the run. And the cops trying to chase, but they can't place. And they a disgrace to the damn human race. And we ain't messing around, because the government is a lie. And they trying to mess around, trying to get up in my mind. And I ain't with that shit. And you gonna have to fight to get in my mind. And I ain't with that. And I told you all the time. And I don't do shit. And this is inspiration. So you gonna do your shit, man. Do your damn homework, and I'm gonna do it too. And we gonna go to college, and we gonna be there. And I'm gonna look for you like we on Blue's Clues, and we be doing that over here. What you doing?
The fuck?
Yeah,
where how you find this beat at?
I don't even know.
You just clicked it?
I clicked on accident.
Oh my god. Hold on. My nigga SD said we go to college. Gotta go to college, fucking bitches mileage. The key mileage, all up in the Jeep. You gonna be in the same Jeep with me, my nigga SD, man. Back to 22. About to come cool if he don't act a fool. You know we don't play when it comes to that shit. Cause you know we bust your ass in your fucking lip. My nigga SD said he wanna party. White girls always telling him he gnarly. Ain't shit to fuck with, cause you know we the shit. V.A.S.K, man, you not fucking with the clique.
Alright. Yeah, we got that raw beat for y'all. What's up? Alright. V.A.S.K is the click, and we always with that shit, and we always with the licks, and we always putting licks on the drug dealer. So if you a dealer, then don't tell them, and don't tell the dealers, cause we trying to get up, and we trying to come up, cause we is lazy as fuck, and we with that, and we always hit that, and we be on that, on the floor all the time, cause I'm always high, and I don't say hi, and I just walk by like it was a time, and it was a long time ago when I met the hoe, and I just said I got to let it go.
Damn. Okay, my nigga Sensei came up to play. My nigga say he tryna rhyme all the time. My nigga SD done play when it comes to the grind. Every day and night, my nigga playing that Pokemon, tryna get his shit done, tryna get Loki son. What you mean though? My nigga SD, he got that good flow. Yo bitch, she got that good throat. Yo sister fucking